Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix no sound iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Okay, so first you have to check the silent ring switch. Look at the side of your iPhone, there's a small switch above the volume buttons. If you see an orange line, your iPhone is in silent mode. Step 2, you need to adjust a volume settings. So basically, you have to press the volume up button on the side, increase the sound, or swipe down from the top right to open control panel and adjust volume. Step 3, you make sure that you're not or the do not disturb is off. Swipe down to open control center and check if the crescent moon is enabled. If yes, tap it to turn off do not disturb. Now, next step is check sound settings. Go to settings, and then this time you have to look for sounds and haptics or sounds. Under ringer alert, make sure volume is off and change with buttons is enabled. Next, try to restart your phone. Restarting fixes many glitches. Hold the power button and either volume button. Slide the power off, then turn back on. Next step, disconnect Bluetooth device. Sometimes your iPhone might be sending sound to a Bluetooth device. So go to settings, Bluetooth, turn off Bluetooth or disconnect any devices. If this method didn't work, then you can now reset all settings. So this time you have to go to your settings and then go to general and then reset your iPhone. This won't delete your data but reset systems settings that might affect sound. Lastly, you can now update iOS. Software bugs can sometimes cause sound problems. So I hope by following any of this method, it will somehow fix no sound on iPhone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.